Good afternoon, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. I am here at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. This place just reopened about 2 weeks ago. It's been closed due to the pandemic, but it's back open now. This is a value resort. You have your values, you have your moderates, and you have your deluxe. This is a value, so it's definitely way more affordable than other Disney resorts on property. I don't think a lot has changed inside of the resort, but I'm here just to walk through it, give you guys an updated tour and what you guys need to know about staying here at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. Look at the line for the Disney Magical Express. It is still spring break, so it's definitely more crowded than normal. And here we are at the front of the resort. This is also where you will come to hop on a bus to take you to the water parks, Disney Springs, and the 4 theme parks. You have the parking lot right here, and then you have the Magical Express drop-off and pickup area. I would like to point out the All-Star Resorts are made out of 3 hotels. You have All-Star Movies, you have All-Star Sports, and All-Stars Music. Those 2 are still closed, and we do not have an opening date. As you walk inside of the main lobby, you're going to walk down the red carpet. I've made it inside of the main lobby. It looks really nice in here. Looks a little different. I don't think they've changed anything, but I think it's just been so long since I was last in here. It feels good to be back. I like this Raya and the Last Dragon poster here inside of the lobby. Looking at the All-Star Movies Hall of Fame, look at this one. Han Solo. Over here you have Run Forrest, and of course, Mr. Walt Disney himself. Also, here inside of the lobby, if you need to send any letters, they have you covered, and they have a SIM card kiosk and a prepaid phone card kiosk. Look at this golden Mickey. That's pretty cool. So, the main lobby is right here in front of us, and then if we turn over to the right, if you walk through these doors, this will bring you right over to the Walt Disney World transportation, and then right here, they have a gift shop. Let's go check it out. Easter Sunday is a few days from now, and since we are here inside a Disney resort, they have Easter baskets that you can buy while you're here on vacation. These are very fun, very neat. Here's the prices here. Oh, okay, I guess that's just in this one. So the Tuk Tuk Easter basket would be $55.31, as we see here. Check out these new Minnie Mouse ears. I like the color. Pretty unique. We have some resort exclusive merchandise for $24.99. Sports, music, movies, repeat. They also have a coffee mug, a Christmas ornament, a keychain, a Disney pin, a magnet, and a shot glass or a toothpick holder. You can find your package pickup area inside of the gift shop. Of course, you have your resort refillable mugs here. They have plenty of alcohol options behind the cash register, as well as plenty of wine, grab and go drinks here, some chips, some snacks, and of course, if you have any kind of emergencies when you're here, they have you covered. Ooh, look at this Easter basket. It has Candyland in there. This one is also $55.31. I will say, this gift shop reminds me of the old school Disney stores inside of your local mall. It feels like that to me. It's nice because those don't really exist anymore. I like this. Before you exit the main lobby heading to your Disney transportation for the day, they have this sign, "Today's weather. Are you prepared?" Because it is hot. Well, today is sunny and cool, but that's really nice. They have you covered before heading out. Leaving the gift shop now, I am heading right over to the other side to the world premiere food court. We may have to order something because it looks like they have this area pretty blocked off, but the signage is basically explaining how they want you to order your food via the mobile order on the Disney Experience app. Looking at the menu right now, they have breakfast and they have lunch and dinner. Yeah, pretty standard. Cheeseburger, roasted turkey dinner, pizza, chicken parmesan pasta. I'm here with Roberto, and look at their new costumes. Okay, all right, I like it. Well, thank you for making the magic, man. I appreciate you. They have plenty of penny press machines in here. All of the tables have been spaced out for plenty of physical distancing. Looks like they have a cast member here for your beverage items. Wow, Disney is very organized in here. So it looks like once you place your mobile order, when it's ready, it will tell you to come inside and go to table number 2, and that's where you'll come, right here to number 2 to pick up your food. Yeah, you just can't walk up and order your food anymore. I was talking with a cast member and she did tell me Disney is trying to go 100% on the mobile ordering from here on out. But she did tell me they will always have one cash register open because some people just want to pay in cash. All right, we just left the food court, and right here they do have the Real Fun Arcade, but it looks like it is not open right now. They also have a souvenir ID tag machine, a fuel rod machine, and a Chase ATM. We made it outside, and here's a look at their main pool themed around Fantasia. It's really nice, very spacious. The pool hours are from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. I'm looking at the resort map now. Yeah, it doesn't look too big. It's a very nice size resort. Not too big, not too small. Something else to note about this resort, Disney did renovate a few of the rooms here. Not all of them, but most of them have been renovated. Passing by the 101 Dalmatian section of this resort, look at Corella up there. Look at the bones on the sidewalk also. Another thing to know, all of the rooms are outside rooms. Canine Crunchies. They have some really cool photo opportunities throughout the resort as well. The benches are also very well themed. Wait, is that a hidden Mickey right there? You guys see it? I'm now here inside of the Mighty Ducks section of the resort. Here is the Duck Pond Pool. I mean, the theming is really good here. Very good. The pool hours, just like the main pool, 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. This one is way less crowded. Oh, there's Goofy right there. I like this. There's a giant scoreboard right here. On the right side of the pool, you have bathrooms, but there's also a guest laundry facility. Here's a quick look inside. Just basic washers and dryers. There's also some vending machines in here. There's also a laundry detergent vending machine. A quick tip, if you do not want to walk very far, the main lobby is right here, and here is the 101 Dalmatian section. I'm back by the main pool. The main lobby, the food court is right here, but they also have a poolside bar. Here's a quick look at the menu for the different drinks here. Pretty standard. Looks like they have a little bit of everything. As of this recording, if I was to stay here for one night, it would cost me $212 per night. Some resort offerings they are doing today. Arts and crafts, make your own slime. They have a playground for your little ones. I'm now coming up on the Toy Story section of this resort, which, by the way, Toy Story is my favorite Disney movie of all time. But the main lobby, the food court, the parking lot is right here. So another section to request if you don't want to walk too far, I think would be the Toy Story section. There's also like a smaller parking lot right back here. Another really cool photo opportunity. We're about to enter Andy's room. Whoa, look at Buzz. This resort is awesome. There's Sheriff Woody, Bo Peep, Rex, and some hidden Mickeys. Oh, they are checkers. Here is a checkers board. So that explains the hidden Mickey checkers right here. Yeah, this area of this resort, it's really cool. Like, I wish I got the opportunity to stay here when I was a little boy, because this would just be mind-blowing to me. I just ran into a very nice family who took a picture with me, very kind, but I was talking with them and they said they had to come to Disney World on a budget this time, and she loved how the room looked. That's something to know. If you want to come to Disney World on a budget, if you want a more affordable hotel option, I think this resort would be great. It's a great option, especially the Toy Story side of this resort. And I don't know if it's just because this resort just reopened a few weeks ago, but it is very clean, like a little too clean. But that's a great thing to know. Okay, I'm back at the main pool, which we're going to use this as our main hub. There's another laundry facility right here and a splash pad for your little ones. Look at Mickey Mouse up there. Now passing the Fantasia section. Really cool. Well, hello there, Donald and Daisy. And finally, here is the love bug section of this resort. Also, it is very quiet right now. I don't know if it's because most of everybody is at the theme parks right now, but it's very quiet. Look at that giant clapperboard. All right, my friends, that's going to do it for today's video here at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. That's pretty much it. It's just a standard, simple hotel here at Walt Disney World. I definitely recommend, especially if you can get inside one of the newly renovated rooms, plus you're paying a very affordable cost, especially if you want a budget, this may be the hotel for you because you still get all of the same Disney benefits as you would staying at like the Grand Floridian. I do want to come back and stay here for one night just so I can really give you guys a better overall idea of this resort because so far looks really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you have ever stayed at any of the Disney All-Star resorts, let me know down in the comments. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Would you come back? Do you have any plans to stay in here in the future? Let me know down in the comments. Please remember, it's nice to be nice, and YouTube, I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me